The company is under new management and umuntu oqala oxoshiwe la emsebenzini uNomfundo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 25th to the 27th of March 2024 on Monday. Vuma gives Sibongile back her phone and she is distraught when she learns about Wenzo's incident from Wenzeni. Sis Mavis takes on her new role as Wenzeni's nanny, who she survived on Tuesday. Ugcina has set up a surprise party to celebrate Vusi's announcement. Peter isn't impressed since she was also planning the same thing for Vusi. Nomfundo calls the helpers to order when they gossip about the Dlaminis on Wednesday. Wenzeni help Wenzo while Deliwe put her own plan into motion. Nomfundo is stung when her new replacement arrives just as she was about to leave. Sis Mavis believes she is next in the line to take over Nomfundo's job. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.